Today, let's make a citation. So you'd use this for creating a works cited page if you're using MLA guidelines in order to create a research paper. So we're going to start at this site right here, mybib.com. Now, this is a site that offers free citations. It is an ad-free site as well, unlike some other citation-making sites. So once we've opened up the website, mybib.com, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our URL of an article. So let's say we're using this article. It is after Biden win, black activists demand reparations for slavery, police reform. And we've got an author name here and our publication date down there. So we're going to take this URL to start with. And this is how most citation generating websites work, is you copy the URL and then you go to make a citation. In this case, you're going to click on the add citation button. And here you get to select what kind of source it is. It is a website. So I'm going to paste my URL here. And then I'm going to click on search. And here we go. It has brought up a result and it says proceed with caution. We couldn't find any authors for this document. Check the source yourself for authors we may have missed. If the publisher is recognizable, then it's probably still okay to use. All right, well, I did see an author name. It's right there, Marco Della Cava, which means I'm going to go ahead and proceed. And I'm going to do that by pressing on this arrow button. And it asks, we couldn't detect the article author for this news article. Please check the source. Does it have an article author? Yes, it does. So I'm going to click on the yes, it does button. And I'm going to put in the first name of the author. That's my name right there, Marco. And then we have the last name was Della Cava. I got to double check that. Marco Della Cava, 2 L's, lowercase d, capital C. Got it. Okay. And I'm going to click on next now. All right. So we've got the article title. We've got the title of article, the date published, the URL, and name of news source, and an annotation. I'm not going to put an annotation in at this time. I am just going to create my citation. So I'm going to click on save. And there we go. It has made a citation for me. And I can copy that and put it onto my works cited page. Also, it's created an in-text citation for me, which is very useful. I can put that in my text. But there you go. That's how you use MyBib. Hopefully this was helpful to you. And goodbye.